ancien old generals welcomes you. Enjoy the animal world. On this edition of Enjoy the Animal World, we are visiting Nieuwoudtville'S Waterfalls. Although the national park's flower season usually takes place during August and September, many times the beautiful natural glories can already be seen by the end of July. We can hear the waterfalls sound from here. By the look at the vegetation, when approaching the waterfalls, we can see we approaching spring. The flower season is close by. Located 7 kilometers from Nieuwoudtville, a small town in Namokwa district, Northern Cape, South Africa, is the Nieuwoudtville Waterfalls, in the Doring River, and the main fall at about 30 meters high.
What is that?
Listen to the stream burbling as it travels along its bed, bubbling over rocks and branches to the waterfall. Listening to that relaxing sound of the water, I concur that our relationship with nature, how much we notice, think about and appreciate our natural surroundings, is a critical factor in supporting good mental health. This 90 meters waterfall is a spectacular sight. When water thunders down into the deep pool during our rainy season, the months between June and September are the ideal ones to plan a getaway to this picturesque beauty, as the rains enhance the beauty of the place and restore the falls to its original form.
Wena friend ijonga kodwa yazi leyo.
Benike yayicela nami. Ngoba bebene phuma bangane bhuda abantu balile. Kaze ngale bhuda.